Ibang ride, Jalisi. Woo! Nakaka-relax. Oy, doggy. Oy. Oy, doggy. Mingming. May Mingming, oh. May lumilipad, oh. Dito sa akin ba? Ang bait, oh. Bigyan pa pangit. Lalaki naman yung mga Mingming. Ito pa ako nagpa-piano. Ayun. Mingming sa taas. Nahilo na. Nahilo na yung Mingming, oh. Ito, tapa, oh. Uy, doggy. Ginagawa mo dyan. Oh. Yun po.
The journey is paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
We made it! Was there any doubt? I mean, honestly, there should be. It's clear.
Ladies and gentlemen, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Don't look at me like that!
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that. Gotta get you cleaned up first.
Ay, puta. Gago, puta. Nambasahan na lang si doggy. Laki mo, hoy. Carwash pala yung napasukan natin. What's your name?
Let's do it.
Oh, ganda?
Bye-bye. Welcome home. Ayan, talagang welcome home. Mingming, oh. Uy, nilabas na yung laway mo. Kulit, oh. Ito pa, oh. Ang pangit.
Uy, ako ba?
Ay,
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.
stop ka muna. Nahihilo ako.